One day I'm gonna be somebody, gonna stand up in the crowd. Ooh-wee. One day I'm gonna be somebody, gonna make somebody proud. And that person that's gonna be proud and who is already proud is me. It's the God in me. It's the God in me. That's the one that's going to be proud because he gets the glory. All the glory, all the glory, all the glory and the praise belongs to the Most High God who created me. I'm just in this body, letting him flow through me. Okay, come on now. Oh boy. All right, y'all. I wasn't ready, but that's the whole plan. That's the whole idea. is not to be ready when I get on here. That's not true. 1 minute into the video, Shar time. Shar stands for Sharice, and time stands for talk, inspire, motivate, empower, encourage, edify, and empower you, baby. Yes, you, baby. That's my that's my thing, y'all. I love it. I think people seem to love it too. I love it though, because I crack myself up. And I'm on here to talk about, don't you know who you are? Don't you know you are somebody? You know, everything that happens to you is really truly happening for you in your life, even when you was little, when you was a little boy, a little girl. There's some things that you remember that you'll probably never forget, but Spirit will remind you of them because everything has a purpose towards your purpose. Nothing happens on accident and nothing happens by coincidence. It was truly meant to coincide, every single thing that you've experienced. Is no surprise to the divine, the Most High God, Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. See, I know what he said in the Bible. I know what he said. Okay? So I believe that. He said, don't you know that you are little gods? Yeah. He said, don't you know you can do greater works than these you shall do? Dang, if we want it, all we got to do is go and get it. And really ain't got to go nowhere. Just be the human being that we were commanded to be. When I was a little girl, we had a little, I want to say dollhouse, but no, I had dollhouses, plenty of them. We had a little clubhouse in the backyard. It was a little shed that, you would store. Nowadays, people, excuse me, would just store their lawnmower and stuff like that, rakes and all that, brooms and water hoses, all that up in there. But we made it a church. We made it our sanctuary. We went to church so much we had to make a play church in the backyard. My daddy built that house back there, see, and that was our space. You feel me? MySpace.com, Facebook.com. They ain't got nothing on our clubhouse. Clubhouse.com is what I called it right now. But we sat there and ate pickles and Kool-Aid and those little fun dipper things, those white things, sticks, and you dip them in the Kool-Aid. Oh my God. Then you dip it in the pickle and take a bite of the pickle. If you don't know nothing about that, then I feel sorry for you. Too bad. I'm not finna explain it, okay? I'm not finna explain it. Anyway, that's back down memory lane. It's good. It's good to go back down because I had some good childhood memories for the most part, okay? I really did. But I got on here to tell you that you are somebody. If somebody had told me that when I was little, I'd have been like, get out my face. I ain't shit. I ain't nobody. I ain't nothing. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See, after my mama passed away, my life was low-key spent in hell. Like, really bad. From my opinion, my perspective, absolutely. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. However, you are somebody. And don't let nobody else tell you different. And sometimes you can't help what you're told. You can't help what other people think of you. You can't help that, but you value. That's why people become people pleasers, because they value what other people can think of them. That just kind of ticks me off right now, because you're young, you're innocent, you don't even know your worth and your value because nobody told you. They ain't told you what they supposed to told you, okay? They didn't tell you because they didn't know. My God. They didn't know their damn self. So I don't, I know some people that's grown, 40, 50 something years old. And they've told me that they still holding on and harboring anger and bitterness and resentment against these people who either dead or gone, or they just don't talk to them because of what they did to them when they was little. Honey, baby, let me tell you something from experience, okay? L-I-G that. L-I-G it. Let it go. And if you don't, I feel sorry for you. Because the other person ain't thinking about you. The one who hurt you when you was little, or did any kind of damage, even when you was grown. Even your husband and your wife right now, in the situation you're in right now, somebody is hurting you and abusing you and keeping you stuck. Keeping you where they see you. Wait. God dog it. That right there hurt. That stung. I felt that one. Somebody going through that right now. You're not stuck. And you can get out of that situation. And you are somebody. Let me tell you, baby. You are somebody. If you still have life in your body, breath in that's waking you up every morning, when you sleep, who breathing for you? How you know you still breathing? You could have woke up dead. You would have never known it. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to tell somebody that you are somebody, okay? You are, baby. You're worth it. You're worth more than whatever somebody is putting you through. Who the hell they think they are? You need to get up out of there right now. Get up out that situation. You could do it. And let me tell you something. You take one step, God will take 5. Ooh, and that's honest to God's truth. I got up here in Portland, Oregon, just with my car and 2 or 3 bags of stuff from my apartment. And that's why I'm in Portland, Oregon for 2 years now. Yep. But I went on trust. I didn't know what I was going to do. That remind me of that movie Color Purple. What I was going to do? What I was going to do? I did go to acting school, y'all. Stop playing with me. I went to acting school, okay? Baby, let me tell you why I love being alone, because I crack myself up and I get to drink this good coffee. Oh my God, look at it, y'all. Can y'all see that? It's all creamy and caramel. Oh my God. French vanilla, boo. Anyway, my hope is to encourage somebody and give you strength to imagine yourself in a different place. Imagine yourself that you have angels all around you, because you do. You do. Don't grieve the Holy Spirit, though. Don't grieve your higher self. HS is for Holy Spirit. HS is for higher self. You got to believe in something not outside of yourself, but something higher than yourself. We just a vessel being used. If you want to be used, I do. I say, yes, sir. I'm right here. Yes, sir, master. I'm right here, sir. Excuse me. But what I said is that slave talk. But I'm free. I ain't say, yes, sir, master, choose me. Here I am. That's what it say in the word too. Here I am. Use me. Take me. Choose me. Well, I was chosen before I was born. And so are you. Are you answering the call? Is the question. Jesus. Strength, courage, and wisdom. That's what's inside of you. Oh, yeah. If I could do this every day for the rest of my life, that's what I do. That's what I do. I'd be a kid at heart. Oh, yeah, because that's who I am. That's who I am. That's what I'll do for the rest of my life. Right here, right here, right here now. But it's going to grow beyond this YouTube channel. Mark my word. See, I have dreams and goals and plans. That's why I know I'm somebody. That's why this video is called One Day I'm Going to Be Somebody. Because it's true. You got to put yourself out there. You got to get out there. You still somebody, but are you being your best version of yourself? Are you following the call on your life? Are you following the vision that God has planted inside of you? Not me. I got mine, but you got yours. Unique to you. I'm going to tell you something right now. You're going to have some haters, and you got to have them. You got to have them. You got to have them, because the only reason you got haters is to let you know that you're on the right path and that you're going somewhere. And if you wasn't doing something right, you would not have haters. That's number one. Number two is whoever hating on you, they're not following their calling. They cannot possibly be following their calling if anybody's hating on you. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Somebody. Say I am somebody. That's who I am. Regardless of what you think I am and what you think I'm supposed to be, or you can't knock me down a peg or two, baby. They want to knock you down, y'all. You supposed to, God said, go and take dominion he said over the earth. But this is the earth. You on the internet, this is the world to me. This is the world to me. I am talking to the world. I'm talking to the world. So it says take dominion over that which you are. Take dominion over your best version of you. Take dominion in your industry. How's that? Yeah, I like that one right there. Take dominion in what you do best. I speak. God gave me this mouthpiece. And I'm going to keep using it until he decides to shut me up. Okay? Other than that, I'm a happy-go-lucky person. A people person. Not a people pleaser no more. Oh, God, I used to be that. I should have got them YouTube awards. I should have got that in people pleasing. I would have got that award. Oh, yeah. I certainly would have got that award. For real, for sure. I think I'm done. Almost 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and close it out right now. Yeah, take time to breathe sometime and just listen. Oh, I be here by myself all the time, so I'm listening more than I'm talking. I talk to myself because there is no one to talk to. People ask me why I do what I do. Woo! I'm a happy mahum. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. I have had a pleasingly plump pleasure with y'all. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for not going away. Please stay for the next, tune in to the next video that I have. And I'm basically doing shorts a lot because I want the channel to grow. And I'm also doing what I love. So doing what you love and the money will follow. Speaking of that, I do have a buy me a coffee link somewhere down there in the description. You could donate. I got my Short Time, my Venmo, my PayPal, all that stuff is down in the link below. Okay? Thank you so much. I appreciate y'all. And I also do not readings. Yeah, okay. That was meant to come out. Yeah, it is. It was. I'm an intuitive psychic. I am. A prophetess. I don't know what's the difference, psychic, prophetess, whatever. You know, all these titles and stuff can go somewhere, but I know who I am. I am somebody. Yeah. They asked me, who do you think you are? If they ask you who you think you are, you tell them, I am somebody. I am a child of God. He calls me blessed. Say whatever you want. Just say whatever you want, y'all, because you don't have to answer to nobody, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. And thanks for your love and support. Thanks for subscribing. Can you subscribe right quick? If you're not subscribed, then, you know, every day, pretty much every single day, I might miss one day, I don't know. But I play catch up on the second day, I know that. But inspiration and motivation for you every single day to brighten your day. Short Time 1 is out.